Hey guys, welcome to my channel Unique English with Nilanjana ma'am. And in case you are visiting this channel and seeing me for the first time, let me tell you guys that I am Nilanjana Kaur and I am a school teacher. Yes, I teach English language and literature to students in school, and in this channel you're going to get videos on certain texts prescribed in the syllabus for the students in school. You're also going to get videos on vocabulary, grammar, and sometimes songs in English. Hey everybody, I welcome each and everyone back to my channel, that is Unique English with Nilanjana ma'am. And in today's video we are going to learn some more idioms. Yes, easy idioms part 4. So without wasting much time, let's get started. But before we start, make sure you subscribe to this channel and like the video so that I can reach out to more and more people out there. So today's first idiom is out of spirits. So what does this idiom mean? The meaning is simple: to be in a sad state of mind or in a dejected mood, or not to be in high spirits, not in the mood to to do things properly, to work around, to be happy and to be cheerful. So to be in that state of mind. So how to use this idiom in our daily life, in easy sentences, in our conversations. So for example, we can say, hey, what's wrong with you? You seem to be out of spirits today. Tell me, share with me, come on. So we can start a conversation like that, right? So let's take a look at the example. Today's second idiom is as good as gold. Yeah, this also is a simile or a comparison, and we all know that gold is a very valuable metal. It has its own luster, so it is it is super fine. It's a super fine metal. Yeah, so we can use it in sentences, for instance, to describe somebody who is very good, a very good person, a very nice human being. Yes, as good as gold. Somebody whose heart is as good as gold. Someone who is very authentic, a very genuine person. So yeah, let's take a look at an example. Friends, have you ever worked against time? Have you ever worked against time to finish a job, or to complete a project, or to finish a task that has been given to you? So maybe you had not started early and you took it up late, so you have to work very hard, and you have to work in a great speed, and you have to finish it as fast as possible, because you do not have time left in your hands. So have you worked against time? Yes, we have. Most of us have, at some point of our life. So our third idiom is against time, meaning to do something as fast as possible, working at a great speed to finish that task. So you can say an example like this, that they worked against time and finished and completed the project somehow at the nick of time. So they finished it somehow, working against time. Yeah, so take a look at the slide. Our next idiom is to give somebody a cold shoulder. So what does that mean? So have you ever faced a situation where somebody has given you the cold shoulder? So what is the meaning of cold shoulder? The meaning of this idiom, to give a cold shoulder, is, to behave in a cold manner, to behave not rather, I would say, not to behave in a friendly manner, not to behave in a warm, friendly, supportive manner. To give someone a cold shoulder, to behave coldly with that person. So yeah, is it good to give a cold shoulder? Well, sometimes, people do that at some places, but it's not a very good thing. Take a look at the slide. The next idiom is turn the corner. What's the meaning of this idiom, turn the corner? Well, this means to recover from a critical situation. So for instance, a patient recovers after a serious illness or a serious disease. A patient finally comes round. He or she finally recovers from that critical condition, and then the doctor is very happy, and he's very happy to announce, or he's very happy to state that finally, after 3 days, or after 3 days serious fight, the patient has turned the corner. So it's a very good thing, when the patient finally comes round after fighting his battle. Recently I visited my mom, and I've always said to people that my mom keeps a good table. So what does that mean? Does that mean somebody has, or somebody owns, a very expensive dining table, or a table to show off? No. To keep a good table means somebody who is a perfect host, someone who serves a very good meal, or a very good lunch or dinner at the table. So to serve good food at the table, that is the meaning of this idiom, keep a good table. So let's take a quick look at the example. So we have come to the end of this video, and I'm sure you all are going to use these videos, the ones we learned in part 1, 2, 3 and 4 today. So please use these idioms wherever you can in your daily life, according to the situation. And I'm sure if you use these these idioms, these figurative expressions, then yes, people will definitely notice your English, and you all will be appreciated, and then we can become good speakers just like the native speakers. Yes. So keep rocking, keep speaking English, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give me a thumbs up, because the more you support me, the more YouTube is going to recommend my video to the other viewers. So thank you. Bye.